they're just gonna grow it out. It's gonna be gone. They're not breeders that to do the work of preserving that and locking it down and isolating it, right? That's imperative to your inbred line. But now you just gave it away for somebody to grow out as a tester. You want to maintain quality and ensure your work
It's always good to see you,
your
Heather.
standards, and the best way to do it is by doing it yourself, man. And we can't stress that enough. My work goes through some of the most grueling, right, strenuous. So I go beyond just testing, right? We go through training camp, and only the strong survive in my tents. So you know about the graveyard. You go back to some of those older videos, man. What I got videos of showing you the
Definitely
importance of
sitting here
testing
doing my highlights
actually
right
my
now.
selection process and documentation
We'll
process.
be out.
So go look at those videos and you'll see the graveyard. We mentioned the graveyard and how that is that first initial stage of looking for athleticism and vigor and strength and performance. You know, who can hold up and who's gonna die in here, because most don't hold up. So don't be worried about planting 100 seeds, 50 seeds. You got room. Don't worry, you got room. But it's gonna require you to cull out the weak, and in some cases you may be dealing with some strong genetics. DevOps OG, right? You may be dealing with some strong genetics and a strong foundation. You may not have any undesirables. In that case, you really want to have a good eye for selection. But that's when the fun starts, right? You're just looking for things to make it you, make it all about you. So have fun with it, man. But do
How he
the
slyly
work
promoted
of
the
testing,
DevOps
man.
OG.
If you want to
My
start
God knows
your
what he
stress,
doing though. Shout out to
performance, and
Zaza.
strength testing early, we're gonna start in the paper towel. That's when the culling starts. We start to select right then and there. Only the most athletic, vigorous tap roots get selected in that very beginning stages, and we immediately jump right into performance, strength, and stress testing. So we're gonna get into those videos in the upcoming videos moving forward of those early, because everybody right now, you got your DevOps OG, you got your Dead Man's Gelato. I see you. I see everybody's starting to pop, germinate. So everybody's kind of a lot of people on the same frequency. So we're gonna produce the videos accordingly so that we can all kind of select together, man. So I'm excited for the next couple videos in the near future. Let me know what you got going on, what's in your garden. Much love. Make sure you visit acinfinity.com. Use code TEAMZAZA for a checkout our discount. If you need a good foundation gear to start with, some good foundation gear to start with, zazagenetics.com. It's a permanent sale going on, so make sure you take advantage. The sale is hot. DevOps OG, Dead Man's Gelato, Hades Throne, all available. Permanent sale. Take advantage. Much love, gang. See y'all soon. I'm out of here. Bow.
Yeah. So like Fox Farms though, like I noticed like, so if you're going to plant a plant in some Fox Farms ocean forest, you're saying, you plant a plant in there and you veg it out for like 2 months and you get that plant monstrous and you're ready to flip it into flower. Now you have to add amendments to there because there's nothing left in it.
Back up just a little bit. When you say you planted it for a couple months and it took off monstrous, do you know what's in that mix that makes that plant grow?
Synthetic salts.
It's pretty much what it is, but it's ammonium nitrate. So they spray this ammonium nitrate on sawdust, and that ammonium nitrate is like, it's like acid on a fucking slug. So think of the organic and biology that's in there. It's killing. They put that on there. You can throw a pile of that. It's called nitralized sawdust, is what the industry calls it, as an amendment to mix it, and that's what they buy. Roots Organic, a bunch of them do that as an amendment, and that's their nitrogen pack. And then they tell you they put a bunch of guanos and they do other stuff. They don't put shit on it. That's what it is, and that's the reason, the difference between a good quality soil and them. And you just explained it, is it shot up and it grew some veg and it did really well. But the